Hey guys, it's Min and welcome to Korean class. 안녕. Hi guys, it's Min again and welcome back. As I said in my last video, I actually just uploaded it and we finished the first series of Learn Korean with Min. And before I go to the second chapter, I wanted to make some extra videos and to let you guys practice more on alphabets, and mostly in reading and pronouncing and some writing as well. So yeah, here I'm making this video of vocabulary workshop. In this video I'm gonna show you guys some random words with what we've learned in first 4 videos, and we're gonna read them together, also memorize the meanings of words. As you guys learned all the alphabets and most of pronunciations as well, you're supposed to be able to read and write, but it's not always easy to read perfectly and you might still struggle a bit. And in this case, the only way to make it better is to practice, of course. So I'll try my best to make it as much as clear and easy. So yeah, please watch this video carefully, but I still recommend you to have a personal tutor or take a Korean class, or at least have a native speaker friend who can correct your pronunciation and everything, so that you'll be able to pronounce the word correctly. And of course, if you're taking my classes currently, these are the words that we covered already in the first chapter, and also you can ask me back whenever you want to in the class. But if you're not taking any of my classes, you can still ask me through the comments or send voice files through Instagram, then I'll be able to correct your pronunciations. So yeah, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Then yeah, also for today's lesson, I recommend you to have a sheet of paper and a pen so that you can actually write the words down and practice them while listening and also speaking it out loud. Yeah, if you are ready, let's get started. Yeah, the first thing that we're gonna do here is I'll show you 5 words which only have basic consonants and vowels. So you're gonna read them by yourself and I'll show you the meanings of the word and I pronounce it after 5 seconds for each word, so you can compare mine and your pronunciations. So yeah, let's start. 모자, 모자. 오리, 오리. 나비, 나비. 바지, 바지. 아기, 아기. Okay, how was it? Was it difficult? And if it was difficult, it's completely normal. You can still rewind the video and repeat them again and again. But if you're still confused with the alphabet itself, it's always a good idea to go back to the first 2 videos and revise the consonants and vowels again. If everything's good, let's go to the next 5 words, and this time we have combined vowels, so have a close look at them and compare your pronunciation with mine. 의자, 의자. 시계, 시계. 교회, 교회. 귀, 귀. 배, 배. Okay, these are probably a bit more complicated than the first five words, but I guess that you wouldn't have much problem if you remember the combined vowels well. But again, if you struggle, you can always go back to the third video, combined vowels, and revise them again. Yeah, so now we will see another 5 words with final consonants. This time I'll give you a bit more time to read, so you have a close look at them again, and afterward I'll show the pronunciations again. 자동차, 자동차. 얼굴, 얼굴. 안경, 안경. 가방, 가방. 남자, 남자. Okay, I think you wouldn't have much problem except for the circle ing sounds as a final position. So yeah, remind it well. And now we're going to the highest level. Here we have 5 more words with combined final consonants. 갑, 갑. 여덟, 여덟. 닦다, 닦다. 앉다, 앉다. 흙, 흙. Okay, very good. So we already learned 20 new vocabs today, and now I'll show you some of them randomly, and it's your turn to pronounce them and also guess their meanings. So I'll just show the letter, you're gonna read them, and if you can, think about their meanings. So I'll give you 5 seconds for each word. 가방, 흙, 모자, 교회, 바지, 의자, 얼굴. Okay, cool. I mean, if you have difficulty with pronouncing, it's okay. Just keep repeating, listen a lot, and repeat a lot. That's the only key to make it better. Of course, if you're struggling with the characters itself, you have to revise them again. But yeah, it's totally normal to get confused with pronunciations or certain letters. Everyone has their own difficulty. So yeah, don't get too much stressed or depressed, but just repeat and revise and you'll be okay. The last practice is dictation. So now I'll let you listen some word without the letter. and it's your turn to repeat them and dictate them, so you have to write them down on your paper without seeing anything. Also try to guess the meanings of the words. I'll give you 10 seconds for each word and show you how do they look like and the meanings as well. 나비, 나비. 자동차, 자동차. 오리, 오리. 갑, 갑. 안경, 안경. 여덟, 여덟. And here is the answers from number 1 to 6. Okay, it's done for today's practice. I guess you guys learned a lot out of this video, and some of you might still struggle to remember certain letters or vocabularies. It's totally okay, you can always go back to the other videos or rewind these videos. Yeah, use them as much as you can. So I hope that this video was helpful and help you to practice a lot. And I also want to hear how you felt about it. So if it was difficult or was too easy, you liked it, you didn't like it, just let me know. You can also contact me through Instagram or comment down below. And yeah, for the pronunciation, I also take voice messages, as I told you earlier, through Instagram. So it might take me a while to reply all the messages, but still I will. So don't hesitate to contact me. And I'd love to hear you always. So thanks for watching today's lesson. Revise well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 다음에 만나요. 안녕.